Marami nang nakapanood kung paano nga ba mag-apply ng safe loan sa Pag-ibig. So ngayon naman is ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magbayad. So syempre hindi lang tayo maglo-loan, kailangan nyo rin magbayad. So this is a short instruction lang guys. So ito na yon. To pay your Pag-ibig Special Assistance for Financial Emergencies or SAFE loan, you can make payments over the counter at any Pag-ibig branch or use authorized online payment. So ito yung mga payment options. So first is Pag-ibig branch. So pwede kayo mag-walk in and pay directly over the counter. The second one naman is online via virtual Pag-ibig portal. Yun, pwede kayo mag-log in online, no? Mag-login kayo online. Tapos may makikita kayo doon na payments. And third one naman is yung salary deduction. So na-apply lang yung salary deduction kapag ang employer mo yung nag-asikaso ng inyong safe loan. Pero in my case, since ako lang naman nag-asikaso, talagang voluntary lang yung aking payment. So pwede kong gawin is pumunta sa Pag-ibig branch at mag-walk in at mag-pay directly. The second one naman is pwede akong mag-online via Pag-ibig portal or virtual Pag-ibig. So kung meron pa kayong mga questions dyan, i-comment nyo na lang para masagot natin guys.